Hi, this is Nufail. This is gonna blow your mind. The desire to fly is ancient, but the dream of unmanned flight is more recent. Early inventors imagined flying machines without pilots. These visions paved the way for the development of drones. In the 19th century, unmanned balloons were used for military observation. Austrian forces used pilotless, explosive-laden balloons during the Siege of Venice in 1849. This marked an early use of unmanned aerial vehicles in warfare. Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor, also explored the potential of unmanned vehicles. In 1898, he demonstrated a radio-controlled boat, hinting at the possibilities of remote-controlled technology. Tesla's work laid the groundwork for future advancements in drone technology. The dream of unmanned flight, once a fantasy, was slowly becoming a reality. World War I accelerated the development of drone technology. The Kettering bug, developed by the US Army, was a notable example. This unmanned aerial torpedo could fly to a preset location and deliver explosives. Though not widely used, the Kettering bug showcased the growing potential of drones in warfare. Between the world wars, countries continued to experiment with drones. The use of radio-controlled aircraft as target drones became increasingly common. World War II saw limited but significant use of drones, like the German V-1 flying bomb. The Cold War marked a turning point in drone development, with heavy investments in unmanned aerial vehicles for reconnaissance. These drones could gather intelligence without risking pilots' lives. The end of the Cold War led to the proliferation of drones for civilian applications. Technological advancements made drones smaller, cheaper, and more accessible. Initially, commercial drone use was limited to specialized tasks like aerial photography and surveying. Drones offered cost-effective solutions for tasks previously difficult or dangerous. The consumer drone market exploded in the 2010s, with companies like DJI making affordable and user-friendly drones. These drones opened up a world of possibilities for hobbyists and professionals alike. Aerial photography and videography became readily available to the masses. The rapid rise of consumer drones brought about new challenges, leading to regulations governing drone use. Governments established rules for drone registration, licensing, and operation. The drone industry had to adapt quickly to this evolving regulatory landscape. Drone technology has advanced rapidly in recent years. Lighter and more durable materials allow for drones with increased payload capacity and extended flight times. Battery technology has also seen significant improvements. These advancements have expanded the possibilities of drone applications across industries. The integration of sophisticated sensors and imaging systems has revolutionized data collection and analysis. High-resolution cameras and multispectral sensors allow drones to capture detailed imagery and data. This data is used for applications like creating three-dimensional maps and monitoring crop health. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing increasingly important roles in drone technology. AI algorithms enable drones to process vast amounts of data and make intelligent decisions in real time. Autonomous drones are being used for tasks such as package delivery, security patrols, and search and rescue operations. The impact of drones extends far beyond military applications. In agriculture, drones are used for precision farming, monitoring crop health, and optimizing irrigation. Drones are revolutionizing infrastructure inspection and maintenance. They can safely and efficiently inspect bridges, power lines, and wind turbines. In logistics and delivery, drones are changing the way goods are transported. Companies are experimenting with drone delivery services for packages and medical supplies. Drones are also playing a vital role in search and rescue operations. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras, drones can quickly locate missing persons in challenging terrains. The future of drone technology is filled with possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. The integration of drones into our airspace will require careful planning and regulation. Urban air mobility systems, where drones transport people and goods within cities, have significant potential. Advancements in artificial intelligence will lead to more sophisticated and capable drones. We can expect to see drones performing increasingly complex tasks with minimal human intervention. The development of drone swarms will continue to evolve. Drone swarms have the potential to revolutionize industries like agriculture and logistics. As drone technology continues to advance, it will reshape our world in profound ways. The future of drones is filled with exciting possibilities that will transform the way we live and work. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in drone technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel.